Hello and welcome to On Possible Journey. Just a quick update on this rainy Wednesday. Last week we took our Fleetwood Discovery up to the truck service center and had its annual inspection and work done. Oil filter, air dryer filter, fuel filter changes. Made sure everything was in good shape for our trip coming up. It snowed 10 inches last week on Wednesday and Thursday, so we really couldn't pick up the unit until Friday. We got 6 new Continental tires installed because the Goodyears were starting to check, even though they were only about 7 years old, but maybe that's old enough. We had Centramatics installed all around, had Crossfires installed on the rears, so we're all set there. We still got to install the Weboost antenna, which we're hoping to do this weekend, and get the TV reinstalled and get all the other stuff that we need to get installed on the unit inside done. That includes de-winterizing and sanitizing the water system. We're leaving Friday for Crossville, Tennessee for our RV rally that we're attending, and then we come back, get everything repacked, and then on May 8th we'll be heading up to Alaska, and hopefully we'll have a lot more videos coming in then. If you'd like to subscribe, please feel free to subscribe to us and click the notification button if you'd like to see all the videos as they are posted. So thank you for watching On Possible Journey, and talk to you next time.